Alright guys, today we're fishing Lake Buffalo on the Chinny. Come on. Mate, bro.
I think I'm ready to fucking spinner.
Imagine a bloody fish.
Yeah, I'm doing it.
Yeah.
Good one, first time.
Ooh.
Oh,
Bro, I'm not even kidding. Bring dead ass. You better catch something. Cat. Surely, come on.
so if I want a redfin, I'm probably going to need a smaller version of the old man.
Alright guys, we've just jumped off the boat, casting a few little minnows and stuff for the reddies off the bank.
Damn it though. Like,
Yeah, could have been, that was,
but like, damn it.
yeah. Come on, we've got to get one. Let's give me confidence.
How big do you reckon that one was?
Like 15.
15.
Oh, yep, on. Oh, yeah.
Yeah, on.
Yep, on. Come on.
Filming? Ready?
Yeah, I'm filming.
Oh, nice.
Yes. Come on, all my.
Make sure to get this one.
This one is an absolute miniature.
That is.
Hold up, go, hold my one.
Yeah. Bring him over so you don't fucking lose him.
Guys, first ever redfin for me. Oh, he's gone. Look at him. Damn it.
Keep losing him.
You keep losing. He's just hooked me too.
First reddies.
First reddies, guys. Come on, let's go. Let's keep going. I think there's a school out there. Yeah, something. Just hooked too.
Me and Caden that need one.
Oh, I got the hook up too, bro.
Should have fucking done my back off. Hey, listen, I broke this lure. That was a good one. Yeah, Freddie, can I just have a cup cast, please?
Hold on. We.
Get the fuck away from this fly. Yeah, they're not going to leave you alone.
There's a. Oh, yep. I had a hit.
You had a hit?
Yeah. No, big. Yep. On. Yep. Oh, this one's better. This one's better. Oi, this one's better. Actually, please.
Bring him up.
Come on, guys.
Yeah.
First redfin ever. Can you hold my one?
That's second redfin, Fred.
I'm in second, yeah. Well, first that I've landed. He's going absolute nuts.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
There we go, guys.
You have to pay him $2.
Nice little redfin. Get a release on him. There he goes. There he goes. Come on, guys. Should have double hook up, surely.
Just down in here, Caden's got another one. It's not even that bad. Maybe it's just a bunch of fish following the lures.
Oh, do you want to? Have you eaten ready before?
Never.
Oh, I thought then.
Yeah.
Look at them all.
Yeah. Don't know if you lads can see it.
Ready? Watch. Oh, you film this.
I'm filming right now.
Ready? You might see like.
You might see some reddies just following the lure.
Nothing.
No. Dingus, you're terrible.
Caden's just dropped the redfin.
No, he'll probably get it back. No, that's not back. That's what it is. That's not really what I got. I've got. Yeah.
Come on, Cad. Caden's got to get his first redfin for the day. Oh, yep, Caden's got on. He's got him. Come on, Caden, gotta get him. Yes!
Get the rod, get the rod.
Oh, pull it up on the bank. Please, please, please. He's a good one. Yes, Caden! Come on. Just rip it. Alright, gonna get a quick show to the camera. Nice, ready guys? Lake Buffalo, chuck him back.
Ready. Fish on.
Here we go, hold up.
Wait.
Chuck him back.
Chucking him back.
Look at him go, he's gone. Come on.
Come on.
Yep, Harvey's on, straight after. Harvey's got his first ever redfin.
That is the tiniest red.
Oh my god.
Grab the rod for me, please.
Yeah, I don't know.
Right, okay. Move.
Come on, Caden, it's your turn.
What? You know, give him your rod.
Alright, Nathan.
Come on.
Just get it out.
Yeah, no, I'm trying. Give it a brick if you have to. There we go.
There you go.
Nice little redfin.
Nice little redfin, guys. Get a release on him. Still there.
He's.
There he goes. Because they've got like the actual USB plug-in. On. Yes, come on! Come on, guys! Oh crap, he's gonna get off, I know it. Hold up, can you grab my rod? No, grab my rod.
I'm bringing him over.
Yeah. Come on, guys. Another ready. Let's go. Got the little out. Here's the little guy. Nice little ready. Chuck him back. There he is. Look at him. Come on. Oh. Guys, we've hooked. Nathan's hooked up to his first ever redfin. Come on, Nathan. Come on.
Got a lick in.
Do a Robbie fishing lip.
Hook myself.
Get. Oh.
Yeah, if I don't hook myself. Oh, and he's gone. Oh, yeah. He got off.
Damn. Well, first ready, guys.